welcome to the class children. Now we are going to discuss about your English. And when we are going to discuss about your English, you can open the English textbooks and open the page number 90. Here he has given something about to the Aladdin. Aladdin means who? Have heard about that Aladdin and as to is genie from the bottle, and he was always wishing to rub that bottle. Some genie will be coming from the lamp or from the ring, and it was going to help towards that Aladdin, and it is the friends of Aladdin. This story was taken from the Arabian Nights, and it was the Arabian stories, and it was an interesting stories. In this chapter, he was going to given as towards to as a drama. Have you seen the drama in your localities? And when you are going to be observed about that drama, there will be a character should be appears. And here also there will be 9 characters will be appear in this chapter. And it was also to become a drama playing by the others. Likewise, your story will be begin. Do you know the story of Aladdin? Have you known about the story of the Aladdin? How he was going to be worked, or what are the achievements of Aladdin? Have you heard something about in the earlier? Or otherwise, you can pass on to this lesson. You can knowing something about the Aladdin stories. Have you read the story? The story of Aladdin tells how a poor boy Aladdin got a magic lamp which changed the way of his life completely. When he was going to get the magic lamp along with him, or he was going to get that magic lamp, he was changing of his lifestyle also, and completely changed his style. In the earlier, he was a poor boy, but let me see what he was going to become afterwards and how he was going to be achieved with the others. We go on to see in this chapter. Now, character should be appears is one was narrator. Narrator means one who is appears in front of the stage or on the stage in front of the screen. He was telling something or narrate something what is going on next and what will happen in the future, or what is the things is going to happen. It is the narrator's play. It is the narrator's work. He was going to be narrating, and afterwards alien and servant also appears in these characters, and the genies and the Aladdin's mother, genie from the ring, and also princess also be appeared. Princess means the queen will also be appeared. Aladdin and Sultan also coming, and also the another genie from the bottle. Means here in this story, the 2 genies will be appeared, one from the ring and another from the bottle. Now we pass on to the drama script. Here the script means it should be written by somebody, and we are going to discuss about that script. Here narrator, the narrator will entering onto the in front of the screen, and he goes on narrating what is going to be took place in future in some more minutes later. Likewise, he was telling, and here he is narrating that once upon a time in the Middle East, and he is narrating that once upon a time in the Middle East. Middle East means here it was the place where Aladdin was lived. That means it was the western part of Asia. It is called Middle East. And he was telling about western part of Asia. There was a young poor boy. And also here we mentioning about that, the narrator mentioning about that he was a young poor boy. His name was Aladdin. And when, as usual, the boy will be there, and he is also having some mother and father also. But here, when his father was died, his mother had to work hard. Here, Aladdin was a poor boy, but his father was died. Instead of his father, his mother had to work hard. She was going to be doing the work in hardy manner. Why she was going to be do hard? Because for sake of food and shelter, she was working hard. And now we come on to the point at Aladdin's house. Here at Aladdin's house means Aladdin and his mother was living in a house. We pass on to that place. Mother. Mother and Aladdin was going to converse with each other, and something is going to be the drama is going to be takes place in Aladdin's house. And mother, Aladdin go to the market and buy some fish for dinner. As usual, the mothers are telling about their children or their daughters. Likewise, here also, mother was instructing for go towards the market and purchasing for some fish for the dinner, and she was instructing towards to the Aladdin. Now, Aladdin, are we going to eat fish again, mother? Because they are daily making use of fish only. And that's why Aladdin was asking towards to his mother, why we are going to eat fish again and again. But the mother is answering, we don't have enough money. Fish is all I can afford. Because she was telling that if we are having enough money, we are going to do the other dishes for your food. But I am having only little much of money, so I did not afford the much varieties for you, but we are going to eat fish only. That's all I am going to be afford for you, or that's all I am going to be giving for you only. The mother will be answered. Aladdin, I am sorry, because he doesn't know about that money, how much they are having, and now he was going to be understood that she was having lesser money. So he was telling that I am sorry. Why I am going to be asked like that? He was thinking. And it is not your fault. The mother will also convincing herself with his son. And it is not your fault, but it is not your fault. The mother is instructing towards to the Aladdin. Now Aladdin was telling, but I promise that one day I will give you everything you deserve. And here is telling that I am going to promise you one day I will give you everything if you are going to be need that one. That is the assurance nowadays all the boys and all the sons and their daughters are going to give towards their parents. If something was going to be happen in the home, afterwards they are telling that when I am going for a job, I am doing this one and I am going to do that one. Likewise, here also Aladdin is giving assurance towards to his mother. And mother is telling, it is getting late, go now. She is instructing towards for the Aladdin. It is getting late, go now to the market. Now, afterwards, the narrator will coming towards to the auditorium or to the scene or to the stage. He went to the market. Who went? Aladdin went to the market, and while he was shopping, a stranger saw him alone, so he approached him. And the narrator was telling what is going to be happen in the further. It means here Aladdin went to the market, and while he was shopping, while he was taking something or purchasing something, a stranger means nobody knows who he was, but that stranger will saw the Aladdin, and so he approached towards Aladdin. when both of them were met with each other in the market. His name was Alin and Aladdin. Alin, how is your father? Here he is the unknown person, but he was speaking with Aladdin by very eminently. He was knowing that Aladdin and his mother. Excuse me, now Aladdin asking, excuse me, Alin. I just want to know how your father is doing. He is inquiring about towards his father. How is your father doing? Or how is I just want to know how your father is doing. I am needing to information about how your father will be or what is going to be happen to your father. And Aladdin, my father is died a long time ago. Here, see, if unknown person will be coming to speak with somebody, they are restricted for speaking. But here, Aladdin will speaking very fluently towards that unknown person. And that he was going to asking something about the father's duties or what the father is doing. Likewise, he is introducing himself, and here Aladdin was not hesitating to speak that fellow. But when we are going towards the market, we are not going to speak with the strangers or the unknown persons because we are not knowing about that how he was. In the meantime, if you are going to speak with that fellows, we are cheated easily. So we should be always cautious about the unknown persons. Okay, coming on to the next page. Alin, oh, I am sorry, I didn't know. I am your uncle Alin. Here he is introducing. He was the uncle of Aladdin. See how he was going to be cheated towards to the Aladdin. And what was his intention? He doesn't know. But he was telling himself as to the Aladdin's uncle. But Aladdin doesn't know that fellow, but he was introducing himself as Uncle Alin. And Aladdin, I didn't know I have one uncle. Here Aladdin was also telling that I didn't know, I am not knowing about that, my uncle will be there or not. And I am forgetted that my uncle will be there, and he was telling that I don't know I have an uncle or not. Who is telling? Who is telling here? Aladdin is telling these words. And after that, narrator was telling that the man, in fact, narrator will entering onto the stage, and he was telling something about few words about that, the, what is further is going to be happen. The man, in fact, was not his uncle, whom Aladdin was going to be introduced. He was not his uncle, he was an African wizard. African wizard means a man who has magical powers. Here, wizard means a man with having some magical powers. He is having something magical powers that he is having besides him is called African wizard. Wizard means he is showing some magics towards to the others. Likewise, he is having that powers. Elin, please take me to see your mother. It is very important. Here, Alin was convinced or he was going to be introduced himself after he was convinced towards to the words of that Aladdin, and also he was ready to go towards to the Aladdin's house. So he was asking towards or pleading in front of Aladdin, please take me to see your mother. It is very important. I am having to see your mother, and I don't know your father is going to be dead, but I wish to see your mother very urgently, and it is very important. Narrator. Both went home, and when Aladdin's mother saw the man, she was surprised because she don't know who he was. And here, when both of them is Alin and the Aladdin were going towards to the home, and the mother was seeing this fellow. She can't identify this fellow, and she was horrified about that. The Aladdin was bringing somebody, and here she was surprised to see this alien because she didn't know who he was. Okay, now coming on to the point. Sorry for the disturbance. Please sit down and say, have dinner with us. Now the mother will be asking or requesting both of them for having their dinner. Aladdin's mother cooked the fish, and while they were eating, the stranger said, when the both of them were entering, the mother was surprised that she was not knowing about that whom he was going to be, Aladdin was going to be brought. But now, afterwards, the mother was cooked for the food for both the fellows, and while they were eating the food, the stranger will be telling us, he was said, and what do you do, Aladdin? Now he was going to ask towards to the Aladdin what you are going to do and what is the work you are going to do. Here Aladdin was struggling with words because it doesn't do anything or any work. So he was telling that he was struggling with murmuring himself. Now the mother was telling that he does nothing, means he was not doing any work, he was simply sitting in the home and he was spending the time. He just likes to play with his friends. He was not doing any work, he was simply playing with his friends, and he was roaming here and there. She was complaining towards in front of that the new fellow. Ellen, but that's not right. Come with me on a journey to another country. You will learn how to buy and sell the finest fabrics. And if you are wishing to do the job, means you come along with me, and we are going towards to the journey for another country. In the meantime, we will learn about how to buy and sell the finest fabrics. That means the cloth business I am going to teach to you for the cloth business, how we are going to purchase the cloth and how he was going to sell the cloths with the money. Aladdin, that sounds good to me. That work is good for me. What we are going to do, we are going to do, and it should be convincible for me for selling the clothes. And here he was telling that at least I will meet other people and visit other countries. He was not interested in selling the cloth, but his wish was to roam here and there and visit to the other countries and for making the friends towards to the other peoples also. Likewise, he was wishing to do his business. Alin, we will leave tomorrow morning. We will going tomorrow morning from this place. Here, that Alin was tactically, he was making the Aladdin into trap for his work. He was going to make the trap for Aladdin. So he was taking the permission of the Aladdin's mother, and they will leave together for tomorrow morning for selling some goods. Narrator. Next day they left early morning. Who left here early morning? Alin and Aladdin were leave the place or they leave their homeland or leave their home and went towards to the other countries. Now when they are moving towards to the other country, Alin will be telling about the Aladdin wonderful stories. Because of his trap, he was going to tell the wonderful stories throughout the journey. And at night, they stopped to rest. And when they are moving one place to another place, he was wishing to tell the stories also. And when they were coming towards to their point, and if the night is fallen, Alin was going to be stopped for their rest. He was stopped the story for taking the rest. In and they will reach towards to the desert place. Here, desert place means all over there will be soil only. There is no tree and there is no water and fully filled with the soil. Alin. Aladdin, bring some wood to make a fire. When you come back, I will tell you a secret. Here, Alim will be instructing for bringing of some wood to make a fire. For the protecting of that wood, they will make some fire. And also, they are making fire for their existence in that desert place. When you come back, if you are bringing the food back, I am going to tell some secret. Now Aladdin will become very happier for he was learning about some secrets from his friends. I will come as soon as I can. I am really intrigued. Here he was telling that I will come as faster as I can. I am really interested for knowing about the secret. Now narrator will enter. When the fire was lit, when the fire was glowing very highly, or when the fire was started, the wizard, here wizard means one who is knowing the magical powers. That fellow, that means here Elin, said some magical words. He was telling some magical words. He was knowing about the magical power means when he tells some words, that place will becomes that place will becomes magically, automatically something will be appear in that place. Suddenly a door appeared. When he was spelled few words, a door will appear, and Aladdin was so scared that he started to run away. And when the door will appear, now the Aladdin was knowing that he is doing something. So Aladdin was searching for here and there for escaping. So he was going to be started running away. He was feared and so he was started to eloping from that place. Now Alin will be telling, stop, where do you think you are going? And he is ordering, where do you think you are going? Why? What do you think about? You are escaping from my clutches. No, stop. And Aladdin, but now he is struggling with words, but. And now Alin, open the door, it's an order. Now Alin will be ordering towards to the Aladdin, open the door, it is an order. Narrator. Aladdin opened the door and he saw a staircase. When the Aladdin will be ordered, the Aladdin is going to be taking the advice of that Aladdin and he was going to do how he was going to be instructed. Likewise, he was going to do the thing. And here you will go down when the Aladdin was opened the door, he was observed some staircases. In the meantime, Alin will be instructing. You will go down, walk straight in a narrow hall. You can go towards with that staircase and also you can walk straight with that hall. Then you will pass a fruit garden. And he was instructing how the Aladdin was going towards for needing something. And he was telling, walk straight a narrow hall. That means when narrow hall will be appeared, you can walk straightly. Then you will pass a fruit garden. After that, a fruit garden will be appeared and you can pass in that. And at the other end, you will find an island. And after that, you will go and search, there will be an oil lamp will be appeared. Bring it to me. And also he was telling that bring it for me. He was ordered. Who is ordering here? Alin was ordering towards to the Aladdin. But I warn you, but I am going to warn you, don't touch anything or you will regret it. But I am going to give a cautious sign for you. If you are going to touch something or some what you are going to get some things on that room, or if you are observed that if you touch that one, you will go and pay for it. That means you are going to be having difficult times when you touched it means. Likewise, Alin was instructed towards to the Aladdin. Now the narrator enters. When Aladdin was inside the cave, he saw very fine jewelry hanging from the fruit trees. When asked, the Alin was told, likewise Aladdin was doing. When Aladdin was entering into the cave, this was not the cave, this was the Alin was done by his magical power. Likewise, Aladdin was entering into that cave. He saw very fine jewelry. He was observed that jewels will be hanging from the fruit trees. Means here the fruit tree is always hanging the fruits, but here that fruit trees will be hanging the jewelry. Because of that magical powers, it was observed like that. He put some in his pockets. He was taking that jewelry and he was putting that into his pockets for disobeying the words of that wizard. What the magical power having the fellow told, he was neglecting his words and he was taking some jewels and kept into his pocket because he was thinking about his mother's happiness also. That's why he was wishing to give that to his mother, so he snatches the jewelry. Then he saw the lamp. Afterwards, he observed the lamp. Okay, you can see it in picture also how he was holding the lamp. Aladdin, I see the lamp you want. I am observed what the lamp was. He was going to be needed. It was here only. He was seen that one. Narrator. Then he took the lamp and looked inside very carefully. When it was available, as usual, the curiosity will be having in his mind. He was observed here and there for the lamps, and also he was observed something is inside that lamp also. Then he was observing the carefully. He was observed something that is a ring inside. Inside that lamp, a ring will be there. I will put it on. He was taking that ring and he was placed that ring into his fingers. Anyway, he didn't say anything about a ring. Anyway, he can't tell any word about that ring. Now, narrator will be entered into the stage. Then he went back to the door. Afterwards, he coming back to the door. When he was about to go out, the wizard said. When he was coming back towards to the door, now he was met the wizard, and the wizard will be telling few words. Give me the lamp. Now Alan will be asking, give me the lamp. Here he was taking the help of Aladdin and he was taken as to the lamp. And here the Aladdin was brought the lamp. Now Alan was needing that lamp. Narrator. Aladdin was surprised by the tone of his voice and was suspicious. Now Aladdin was thinking that how the tone will become, and it was in the suspicious, suspect type of voice becoming, and also he was thinking that, and he was knowing to tell that yeah, it should be an ordering one. Aladdin, I will give it to you as soon as I am out. Now Aladdin will be going to be taking into the advantage of that lamp, he was telling that giving and taking policy. So I will give it to you as soon as I am going out from here. But Alin will be telling, no, no, I just want the lamb. Here was telling that I am not allowing to go out, but I need that lamb. Aladdin, let me out and then I will give you the lamb. The conversation is going between the two personalities. And here Aladdin was not interested to give the lamb, because first he was thinking about that. First he escaped then from that place, and afterwards he was wishing to give the lamb for that Alin. But Alin was not going to be convincible for the words of Aladdin. The wizard was angry at Aladdin and said, the wizard, that means here the Alin was angry at Aladdin first, and also he was speaking with some words, and he told something. I prefer to lose the lamp and its power. You will stay there forever. If you are not going to give the lamp, I will lose the power, and also you will stay there forever. If I am going to lose my powers, you will not going out, and we are always here only. We are always fitted here only. So first give me the lamp. In the meantime, I am not going to lose the powers. Narrating. Then he shut the door. Aladdin had no other choice but to go down the stairs, where he sat on the floor and remained there for 2 days. And afterwards, the Aladdin was going downstairs, and he sat on the floor, and he was spending 2 more days on that room only. Now Aladdin, it's so dark in here and I am so cold. And when Aladdin was spending the 2 days in the ground stair, and after that he was thinking that it should be a dark place, and also I am having some cold also. Then he rubbed his hands together. When he was going to rub his hands, and suddenly he saw a bright light coming out from the ring. It was a genie. And here he was wearing that ring from the finger, and he was rubbing, not knowingly he was going to rub both the hands for the sake of angry and for the sake of fatness. So he was rubbing both the hands, and he was thinking that something is going to be happen, that is miracle is going to be happen for that room. He was thinking that he saw some bright light will be coming out from the ring. He was astonished and he was horrified about that, because of that room is containing some bright light coming out from the ring. And he was thinking that something is going to be happen, and it was a genie. Genie means something, it is going to be helpful towards to the persons, those who are in trouble. Genie means a spirit of Arabian folklore, and it is coming from the bottle or oil lamp, and capable of granting wishes when someone serves. And if some of them are needing something, it will fulfill always. Okay, thank you children. We will